stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way,
hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today's vlog is going to be a bit different because it's a hair vlog. So y'all see my hair is like this right now, but we're going to get to braids. So we're gonna get boho braids. It's my first time getting boho braids. As y'all know, I would usually do like my knotless braids, but today's a little bit different, and Hot Braids sent me over some goodies. Let's get into it. So in our package we got 3 bundles, not 1, not 2, 3 bundles of 100% human hair. This is the 22 inches bohemian curls, and y'all look at how thick it is. Not to mention the hair is super soft. And we also got these, which includes a rat tail comb, edges brush, regular brush, clips, you name it. I think this was so tattoo. Anyways, yeah, let's go to my hairdresser. I have all of my braiding hair in here, including the bohemian curls that Hot Braids sent me over. So let's go. So we got there, and y'all know when I sit in this chair as well, I did start preparing the hair, and y'all, it was time to slay in the best way. Of course, she did her parts to decide how many braids I'll be getting today. We did a mixture of synthetic and human hair. Of course, the curly pieces that Hot Braids sent us over, which was 22 inches bohemian curls. And for the synthetic braiding hair, we just used our regular pre-stretch hair, and this time I did black, which was I think 1B. I usually go with brown, so this was kind of different. It was kind of different, and it took some getting used to, but I loved. But like, let's get into the tea of this hair, because hello, look at her. She was super soft, y'all, and you see the 3 packs that you're getting, they're thick like butter. And baby, when it comes to the quality of this hair, she was a 1. Like, I'm all new to human hair extensions still, but guys, she was hairdresser approved by not 1 but 2 hairdressers. So I know how much more convincing you want, and so like, just go get the hair, babes. Add to cart. You can use my code HBJC for some shmoney off. And with proper care, this hair can last 6 to 18 months. It is reusable, of course, once proper care is taken of it. And just to mention again, you're getting 3 packs, which include 2 bundles each. So in total, you're technically getting 6 bundles, with each pack being 100 grams. So that makes 300 grams of human virgin hair. It's a win-win if you ask me. And the end of the curly pieces is actually straight, so it makes it super easy to braid in with the braids, obviously. Now, I told my hairdresser that I wanted it to be really full, and I kind of wanted to use up all of the hair, but y'all, we tried our best, and because of how thick the hair is, we ended up only using 2 packs, which is technically the 4 bundles. We're in a little break. We're halfway. Yeah, and 3 hours in and 3 more to go. And just so that you guys know, and to give you a little insight, there are also other textures that you can choose from, either tighter curls or looser curls. The choice is yours. You don't necessarily need to choose the bohemian curls, and you can feel free to check it out on their website at hotbraids.com. All of the information will of course be linked in my description box, so y'all can feel free to check it out. And of course, if you're a person like me that loves to go brown, they also have blonde curly hair. So no worries if you're a girly that, you know, is like me, that prefers a light brown hair or blonde, they got you. And of course, they got you for the dark hair. And another thing is, it can be used for more than just boho braids. You can use this to crochet into your locks. You can use it to do wig making, micro beading, and so much more. Like, it's really up to you.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Okay guys, so it has been quite a few days since we finished our braids, and yeah, I had to like marinate to give y'all the final look, the final review, the final of everything, because like now it's fully dried, it has marinated, it's eaten. I have received so many compliments, like, guys, this freaking hair is 10 out of 10. If you guys want to check this hair out, you can do so via hotbraids.com. I am wearing the 22 inches bohemian curls, and it is 100 grams 100% remy version here in each pack. Each pack contains 2 bundles, which is 50 grams each. So guys, y'all be sure to check it out. I have received so many compliments on this specific hairstyle, and 10 out of 10, 10s across the board. Even my hairdresser said this hair is chef kiss. So guys, be sure to check it out. Use my code HBJC for a special discount off your first order, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Like, excuse me, like, get with it. Summer is in, braids are out. Let's go, babes, let's go. Let us get with it. And guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.